Is really quiet. I love the silence in here. It's such a wonderful classroom for nature things at Steel Creek in Bristol, Tennessee. It's in a great building with amazing things, but I just love this classroom. I love the little things that they have here. I know what some of them are. I know what all of them are. I think except for this one. This is, I think, a buckeye. And this is a sweet gum ball, I think. And this is a pine cone. And this is the black walnut. This is the hole on the outside of, I think, the buckeye. I don't know what this is. And this is, I think it's, well, I don't know what this is. I thought it was a Kentucky Wonder bean. I don't know what it is. And then there's that stuff over there. So cool. I do not know all of it.